Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! I have a couple of Christmassy videos for you guys now. I know we were just talking about spring with Bath and Body Works, but I want to go back to Christmas. We're always mixing up the seasons, and then I'm going to talk about a Christmas Goose Creek candle and those new M&M candles. So, Trader Joe's has got a lot of Christmas stuff rolling in. They have their Sol de Janeiro dupe out. Where is it? I was just at Trader Joe's the other day. It's the Brazil Nut Trio. They could be gone by now. I had a lot of it left, but if you like that, you're going to want to get it. Candy cane body scrub. This stuff sells out really fast. I like the candy cane body scrub. I haven't even dug into this one yet. I need scissors. I need scissors, you guys. Let me see here. And then we're going to do the 12 days of beauty. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, it smells so good. I always go through one of these a season. This is their scrub. It's super pepperminty, and it's got a great exfoliating scrub there. So I like this one. I think these are like $5 or $6. So then, I think this was $19.99. The 12 Days of Beauty. We're gonna do this. We're gonna open this. Okay, so number one is the stone fruit scented body butter. You get a lot of really interesting stuff in here. Oh, that smells nice. It's definitely like a deep fruity scent. That's nice though. So little body butter for your purse there. Okay, I'm going in order just because it's fun. Where's number two? Number two. Here's number two. Open this one up. Oh, it's one of the lip balms. I bought the whole big lip balm pack. This is the cranberry orange moisturizing lip balm. They have a nice lip balm, and they're not super pricey. This smells really good, by the way. Crayon orange. Okay, next up, number three. Where's number three? Oh, here's number three down here. We have let me pull this out. What is this one? Forest fig and blackberry hand cream. Forest fig and blackberry. That sounds really good. Okay, so this is a wonky packaging though. Okay, you ready? Forest fig and blackberry. Ew. I don't know if I like it. It's really deep. I don't know. I might give that to my husband. He likes hand cream. Okay, number four is right here. Oh, this is cute. I'm going to gift this one because I don't have a bathtub anymore. This is the Rosemary Mint Bath Fizzer. Cute little bath fizzy there. Okay, number five is over here. These make great gifts, by the way. There's like advent calendars. Oh, this is the candy cane scented shimmer body wash. We don't have the full size though. Oh, this is actually nice. This will go good with the scrub. I don't know why. Like, I don't see the full size of these products anywhere unless I missed them. Okay, number six is up here. This one is, oh, this is pretty. It is I didn't know they had this. It's a rose glow facial oil. Who knew? I didn't even know they had that. Number seven is right next door. This one is, oh, looks like another body butter. Fireside Velvet. What is Fireside Velvet? That's what I want to know. Okay. Fireside Velvet. Oh, that's nice. It smells like a fireside candle. That is strong. I think a lot of people would actually like this one. I gotta say, that's a nice scent going on there. Okay. That was number seven. Number eight. Oh, here's number eight. Number eight looks like another tube of something. This one is a cleansing face balm. Number nine. Oh, here's number nine. Number nine looks like another facial product. What is this? Hydrating rice facial essence. Check that out. So 2 facial products. Number 9. Oh, number 10 is up here. Oh, another hand cream. Hope I like this one. This is, oh, orange ginger. Okay, that's a little bit more up my alley. I don't like these, bottles. This is the only one with a seal on it, which is interesting. Oh, I like this formula. This is like really almost like a glycerin. Oh my gosh. Okay, best scent ever. Orange ginger. I am so digging orange ginger this year. That smells good. Oh, I bet you could use this as like a hair. I always put everything in my hair. Yes, you can. A little bit of a hair tamer. Ooh, that smells good. Okay, I'm loving that one. Number 11. Number 11's like the big one. No, yeah, 11. Oh, pretty big. A Beverly Hills hair mask. What is this? I'm gonna use this tonight. Beverly Hills hair mask. I'm all about that. I wonder what that's I wonder what it's like. Okay. Oh, UPS keeps texting me. I got a UPS package coming. Number 12. The last one is, check it out. Let me get this one out. We'll get rid of that. Having a terrible noise. An illuminating daily facial sunscreen, broad spectrum, SPF 40, tinted shimmery glow. So, I got this last year, and I honestly feel like this year's is a little bit better. So, like I said, it was like in the I think it was $19, but I gotta say, I think what made it worth it were these 2 body butters. These are absolutely adorable. Love the body butter. So there's 12 items. How much is that each for each item? If we do $19, oops, I think it was 19, unless it was 12. Divided by 12, that's like $1.66 an item. That's cute for these little products here. I love the lip balm. I love the orange ginger it's a hand balm. It's a balm. It's not a cream. I wondered why it was like so. It was so like it's almost like Vaseline. Oh my gosh, this is gonna really do your hands like well. Like when you get those little cuts on your hands and stuff in the winter. Oh! This one is so good. Okay, so I love that. Let's see. We got a couple of facial products, and then of course we have the scented shimmer body wash. So yeah, cute little gift if you're looking for something unique for someone for Christmas. I don't know if they still have these because they do sell out fast, but check out your Trader Joe's. Also for the I keep forgetting the name of it. Oh my gosh, what is it? The pistachio one. Why is it like leaving my brain? Let me see here. All photos. I have so many photos, you guys. It was over here. Oh, Brazil nut. Why do I keep like goofing on that? That's a good trio. It really is. You get the let's see, the body butter, the body mist, and the body oil. You know why I didn't get it? I really wanted the body wash, and they didn't have the body wash. So hopefully, like in the spring, they have that back. Anyway, I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye bye.